very necessary. I'm here to see the Rolling Stones. Yay! First time ever. It was pure coincidence. Metro, train, buses, tram. I want to go to Santa Maria delle Grazie for Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. I called to get tickets several times and they said they're all booked, but because today there's going to be thunderstorms and I have a pretty good poncho to cover myself and I don't care if I get wet, I'm going there just to check to see if anybody cancels. If you want to go see The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci, just make reservations way ahead of time because I'm going to be here like a little bit over a week and I've been calling and there's just no way. There's mine. The big one. And now let's see if I can get in. We'll try. Maybe we're lucky. We have to at least try. So it's sold out. It's to be expected. I checked the website, it was sold out. I said, oh, let me just drop by, but you know, everybody wants to see it and you have to plan ahead. I have already seen it, so it's not such a big deal for me, but if you haven't seen it and you really want to see it, make sure you reserve ahead of time. We are in June and they told me they don't have tickets until July, okay? So reserve it. You know, it's just a little room. They give you 15 minutes to see it. The fresco takes up the whole north wall of that room and they tell you to come half an hour before so you can go pick up your ticket. That's another thing, you have to show ID. Either something legit, a passport or an identification card, official identification card, and then they give you your ticket to go in. So a half an hour before your reservation, you go pick up your tickets there, you wait, and then at your time, you enter there. It's not in this big church. So yeah, make plans for it, okay? It's worth it. It's really, I mean, we've seen it so many times that you're like, wow, I'm seeing it for real, you know? It's cool. When I came in 19 whatever, I just came here, walked right in, no ticket, no nothing. That was it. It was really easy. So I have my super duper poncho. My backpack is here. I think I just missed the rain, but it's gonna continue. We're expecting major thunderstorms tonight. They're big puddles. Maybe I just missed the storm. I came prepared. So this is my first hotel room in Milan. It's really big, spacious, and very clean. This is how I left it. Very good AC. I'm ventilating now because I'm leaving, and the people were super friendly. Yes, and one night the hotel treated me to this delicious pizza and a beer. It's delicious. The green stuff on it is rocket. It's really good. It's not in a touristy area, so you get to live like life how people from Milan live, you know? It's not in a touristy area at all, and I really like that. So it's a beautiful neighborhood. It's really quiet and it's close to public transportation. Now I'm going from Hotel 1 to Hotel 2, which is going to be totally different. It's going to be in a touristy area. So I am at Dateo and I'm going to Duomo. Just a few stops. I don't know if I'll be able to film going on the bus because I have a mask, mask, a backpack, a suitcase, a camera, I got the picture, and a cell phone where I have my ticket. I got off the bus over there, and you can see it's a totally different area. You're right in the middle of everything. Just take a look over there. There's an amazing church over there, and over there you have the Vittorino Emanuele galleries. Oh, I can't wait to see that. I saw it before, but you know, I forget because it's been a long time. But first I'm gonna go to my hotel, leave off my bags, and plan the day. I don't really plan that much, you know, I just like to walk around, and obviously I read about the place and see, you know, what places are recommended. Some I've already seen, some I just want to walk around, really soak in the culture. That's it. You know, you walk around, you see something that's really nice, and then you stop. It's as easy as that. So my hotel is right next to the church. Look at the building. I love it. I love architecture. So here's my second room. It's very nice. Very nice. I love the color. The colors. Let's see the view. Da-da-da. Oh, drugstore, just in case I need medication. My view. Ciao. Ciao. Very nice and bright. Looks clean. I see a hair or two, but no. I always notice these things. I mean, hair is so easy to see. There's a hair over there. There's another one over there. There's another one over here. You know, they should notice these things. So we're gonna climb to the very top of the cathedral, of the Duomo. You have to buy tickets ahead of time, and I'm taking the lift because I do not, the elevator, because I do not want to go up the stairs. It is so hot. And you cannot show shoulders or knees. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. That's for stairs. This is for elevator. This way.
هلا هو قال له اصبر مو مشكله قال له كان كيف اشتغل من
Oh my goodness. It really is beautiful up here. Dee-dee. It's definitely worth going up to the top. They don't let you bring a camera inside the Duomo, and so I couldn't, but I did take pictures with my phone and some videos. It's really amazing. But let me tell you, even if you get the lift, you will have to go up and down a number of stairs. So I am like, I just came out of a sauna. Yeah, so there are a lot of stairs to go down. It's easy, it's okay, it's doable, but it was really hot inside where the stairs were. And then when you're up on the roof, the sun is beaming right at you. So yeah, after going down the stairs, I just sat in a pew and couldn't do much more. Just a little reminder, I got to do this when I went to the cathedral in Vienna, which was also spectacular, and I still have to go to the one in Santiago de Compostela, which I will go to, and I will film one of these days. You know, when it's right close to you, you never go to it. That happened with the Statue of Liberty, you know. So yesterday I actually didn't have time to go to the Archaeological Museum and to the other museum. The rooftop visit was enough for me yesterday. It was a lot, it was very hot. So today I'm going to go to the Archaeological Museum. I have my camera. You're not allowed a camera, you're not allowed video, and you can't show shoulders and knees. And I didn't take any pictures of the actual Duomo yesterday, so I'm going to try and take some today. The ticket that I bought, which was the ticket with the lift, it's valid for 3 days. So if you can't do everything in one day, you could go the next day and do more.
Io sono già buono più o meno. Ehi.
They're having a concert and it's really weird while you're...
Sono al massimo, ma sono poco. Is to put your heel on the bull's masculine parts. Get what I mean? I'm gonna do it just for the heck of it. I'll film it so you guys can see what you have to do. You see? He's pretty worn out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, yikes, 3. Dizzy now. I'm going to take a tram to go to dinner. I'll show you where I'm going. I'm going by the canals of Milan. I like the tram because you can see more. You gotta admit, this is a pretty nice mall, huh? It was constructed, I think, 1865 to 77. I read somewhere that Milan had a lot of canals. but in the war they were all destroyed. Not what I imagined, but we're not there yet. So I have no idea where I'm going. I know I'm in the right neighborhood. There is a canal here, a little dirty, but there's a canal. And there are people going that way, so I'm following them. Love locks. Ooh. Now today's Monday, so some restaurants are closed. I checked, but I'm just going to the first one I find. So I went into a restaurant. I made a reservation for 7:30, and they wanted to put me in a table all the way in the back with no view of the river, of the canal. So I just paid my drink and left. And I went to look for another one, and now I have a view of the canal. It's really nice, isn't it? It was worth coming here. So it is Monday, and I took a risk because a lot of restaurants are closed, but because they had a concert in the piazza of La Duomo, I figured, let's go early. So I was here like at 6:30, 7, and I was able to find a table. There were lots of tables. So if you come early, you have a better chance. Now it's packed, and it's 8:45. Yeah, I found 2 tables, and I went with the second one because the first one, they put me all the way in the back with no view, and look at the view. I mean, give me a break. No way, Jose. De sonada, monada. I had a pretty light dinner, but I'm gonna walk to my hotel because it's still bright out. The weather is nice now. Look at the sunset. And it's only 23 minutes to get there, so no big deal. 23 minutes, and I get to see a little bit more of Milan and show you guys. Okay, hoppers, I hope you like this video.
In the next video, see how I got around Milan using public transportation. Thanks for watching.